Today I'm going to be doing a quick morning tidy up, so stay tuned. Hey guys, my name's Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a quick morning tidy up. As you can see, my bedroom definitely needs some attention. I need to fold clothes, I need to make my bed, and then I've got just some things out that need to be put away. So I'm going to start with opening up my curtains, and then I'm going to make my bed, and then I'm going to start tidying up in here. I really enjoy the slow days of summer, but so far this summer has felt super fast paced. I'm not really sure why. It's been really weird. We haven't really had many days where we've been able to just sleep in or just hang out at the house. It's been constant go, go, go. So y'all let me know, how is summer going at your house? Have you had some nice slow days, or has it been super jam-packed? I had some little pops of pink in this room for a little while that I definitely enjoyed for spring, but they were kind of, I don't know, I was just kind of over it. So I finally found a gray pillow that you'll see right here. I found that at Ross. It was exactly what I'd been looking for. And then I also swapped out my pink flowers for just a white hydrangea, and I really like that this room feels a little calmer. I'm showing you my dirty socks. Does anybody else go to bed with like lotion on their feet and then put socks on and then lose the socks in the middle of the night? That would be me. Alright, so I'm just going to put up some of my jewelry, and then I need to get my planner put away because it's right here on the dresser. And then I'm going to get busy folding this load of towels. I usually have 1 or 2 loads a day, every day, usually about 2 loads. And right now I've got towels that need to be folded. Like I said, this is just kind of a quick morning tidy up. I pulled these out of the dryer, so I'm going to get these folded and put away so that I can move on to the next task. I don't have much to do in here. I really just need to kind of put remote controls away, straighten up pillows and things like that. We kind of lounged in here last night and then didn't really clean it before we went to bed, but I do like to have the living room nice and straightened up before we start the day. If you missed my last video where I talked about our new couch, you should definitely check that out. We are still really enjoying it. I am still trying to decide on what kind of pillow cushions I want in here, like pillow covers and curtains and things like that. You can see I changed out the coffee table. The round one that I was thinking that I wanted isn't going to work, but I really like this. This used to be in here, and right now I'm really happy with it. The last thing I need to tidy up this morning is our kitchen. We have already all had breakfast and I just need to finish cleaning up in here. My kids, they emptied the dishwasher first thing this morning and then they mostly cleaned up after themselves. The counters, I noticed lots of crumbs and things like that, so I will tackle that in just a minute. In case you're wondering what I'm making right here, this is a drink that I usually have daily, but it's an apple cider vinegar drink. It also has a base of tea. It's got lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, ginger, and a few other things. It's really good. It really helps me feel good throughout the day, but it's actually called Good Girl Moonshine. It's a recipe that you can find from Trim Healthy Mama, so if it's something that you're interested in, definitely look it up. But I needed to get it made so that I can get all of this stuff in here cleaned up. I had a huge mess to clean up this morning in the dishwasher. There is like a bunch of sticky residue down there in the bottom of the dishwasher. I was trying to get the filter out so that I could clean it, but I couldn't clean it, so I'll have to do it this evening when my husband gets home. But those two jars that I showed you, they were spaghetti jars. I left the labels on them when I ran them through the dishwasher last night, and I've never had it happen before. Usually the label might just kind of fall off, but this like came off and there was glue everywhere. Definitely don't recommend doing that. But I use these jars to put like grease drippings and things like that in so that I can just throw them away. So that's why I had to clean that up. Now that my few little dishes are done and the kitchen is nice and tidy, I am going to give my counters a good wipe down. I did mention that there were like crumbs and things on here, so I'm just using my homemade granite cleaner from Clean Mama and just giving everything a good wipe down. Now that my house is nice and tidy, I can move on with the day. You'll see right here that I left my spray bottle out so that I remember to fill it up. But I'm very happy to have all of this done so that, like I said, we can move on with the day. Let me know down below, what kind of things do you like to do in the mornings to tidy up before you start the day? I really just like to make sure that all of the rooms are straight, beds are made, kitchen's cleaned up, things like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel and not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below. Say hi down in the comments, and I will see you guys soon.